Welcome to Splash Day! But before our boat Alioth can fit into Seaview's small lift, the yard staff actually have to remove our forestay, part of the standing rigging for our main mast, so the hydraulic lift can fit back far enough to lift the boat up. Here at Seaview Boatyard, they actually have an even bigger lift, capable of lifting boats up to 165 tons. This is how they place the straps under the hull of the boat, and she's off. Lori and I were pretty nervous since we weren't fully insured or capable yet of driving our own boat. We had done all we could, but without on-the-water training, we'd need a captain for now. We had spent the previous days readying fenders in preparation for Alioth being dockside for the moment. We were eager to get in the water, but also very nervous, even just to live on the dock until we got scheduled for our training. Under our current policy, we weren't allowed to drive the boat at all, even for training. Obviously that had to change so we could learn to sail all on our own. Thankfully, the boatyard staff were very understanding.
Switching which way you're filming. Well, but now we're both on the same side, so one of us needs to do TikTok top.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Right. It's supposed to float. He's gonna hop on it. Oh my god. He's gonna burp it.
Expelling trapped air.
Which, I mean, I bet the babies are screaming. He'll be fine. Oh my god, there she goes in the water. Just like that. She's a boat again. Oh my god. How did they get the straps off? Carefully.
The plan was to let it sit in the water a second while the thru-hulls, or various holes in the boat, were checked.
There's our prop.
Yeah.
Everything appeared okay, so the staff helped get the boat into the side tie slip.
Where are we?
We're underwater.
How you feel?
Scared. Happy.
Why are you scared?
Well, I was gonna say, do you want to go check the thru-hulls ourselves?
Sure.
Okay, let's go check.
So I got into position on the floor to check in the bilge, or under the floorboards for non-boaters. We wanted to ensure the new depth sounder and knot meter were installed correctly and not leaking. Here's the knot meter that tells our speed. And as you can see, it's dripping. That needs to be fixed. The depth sounder, while blessed with many dog furs, was successfully dry. But they did have to bring Alioth back up to grease the knot meter, which was a success, so they guided us back into our spot.
Getting sleepy?
The pups were thoroughly confused.
Long day?
It felt good to be on the water. Finally. Now just to get insured enough to take our sailing courses.
You can almost see the mountains.
We decided to get the boatyard staff a little something for all their hard work. So Lori made a card. We know what it's like to work in tough industries that are under-resourced, so we wanted the everyday yard guy or gal to feel seen. And what makes someone feel more seen than a taco? And tamales, of course. After setting that up in their break room, we decided to go get ourselves some grub. Lori wanted to try Aslan Brewing, one of Bellingham's many breweries. We got a prosciutto sandwich, slow roasted pork belly, and some mac and cheese bites. It was pretty good, but what we really valued was their commitment to sustainability and using locally sourced ingredients and renewable resources. It was a welcomed afternoon out. Back on the boat, Malcolm serenaded seagulls, and they responded. We enjoyed the first night in the water and dreamed of all yet to come. Join us next episode for Life on the Water as we work hard prepping equipment. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.